Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin doesn't really get out of its sort of bearish environment here. Yeah, the bearish structure. We already talked about that yesterday as Bitcoin did break below that low here from the 15th of October, which is here at 18,990. As we broke about below that overnight. This actually confirmed, or at least made, confirmed, but it made lower lows again very, very likely, because this sort of invalidated an imminently bullish wave pattern, which was possible above 19,140. So losing that level already wasn't a great sign, and then breaking below this low basically was the invalidation for a possible bullish pattern, where we had here a possible, but that was never the primary expectation, where we had here a possible wave 1, 2, and another 1, 2 setup. Now that's not possible anymore. The only bullish pattern that is still possible now here as a breakout pattern would be to count this as a wave 1. Then we had a wave A down, a wave B up, and we're now coming down in wave C. Well, that is possible. But I still have my problems to count this move up as a 5-wave move, yeah, from the low here at 18,200. Well, it's possible, but again, as I said before, Bitcoin shows much more weakness than, for example, Ethereum. And yeah, for me, it's more here geared towards the downside, especially this rejection up here earlier today at 19,340. Because if we draw the fibs, so you can see that we were pretty much rejected at the 19,300 and just accurately and 300, well, 19,313 level. Did tell you in the previous Bitcoin video that this could be again another 1-2 setup. So the wave 1 as a, yeah, basically a diagonal pattern here to the downside, and then a wave 2 to the upside as a correction, and then followed by a third wave to the downside. This is not really confirmed yet, but I told you that if we get above the 19,313 level, it would make it more likely to push to the upside. As you can see, we got rejected very strongly, and we're now following down. This is not a bullish sign. And at the moment, there is also here no sign of a bottom in place. We've dropped back into this channel that we talked about in the previous video. And for me, again, the view is, you know, we've made another lower high. We've made another lower low here. The view is that as long as we stay now below the 19,003, so that high 19,340 level, we are heading further down in a wave 3. So if I draw that again, this was then the estimated wave 1, here a wave 2 up. Next would be a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down to finish off this third wave there in blue. Okay, so again, my view is if we now lose the 18,900 level that we reached here today, actually, there is a good chance we get down to around 18.5K. Why do I say 18.5K? The plan is to, if this plays out, that we're going to reach the 1.618 extension in a third wave, possibly even a bit lower, and that would be the $18,480 level. And yeah, this is sort of where we are at the moment, still in the range. Bitcoin still can't get off the ground. That is not a bullish signal. As I said before, Bitcoin could rally from here, but until we really see in the first instance, sort of 22.1K holding, I will not go more bullish. So there will always be other, due to Bitcoin's messy structure, there will always be other bearish scenarios that are still possible. And that's the problem with Bitcoin structure. It's just not a very, very reliable chart at the moment. So we need to have a bit of patience here. It's obviously on my watch list, you know, we're watching it, but I'm more sitting on the sidelines here, and until we have a clearer pattern. You know, clarity is good. We need clarity, and I'd like to see here a clear move either way to finally make some progress with this chart, because the ongoing sideways movement doesn't really give us a lot of progress here. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.